Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to try to fix this poor baby with this concave back. Came with a flat back, so we're going to go ahead and see if we could restuff him and see if it will help make him better. So we got some polyfill right here, so I'm going to go ahead and attempt to stuff him with this to see if we could actually fix this little guy, because the poor little guy, he does need some help. So this is my first time doing this, so I apologize if I'm not great at it, but we're going to go ahead and stuff it in there. And I do have like a comb that I could use to like push it in if I need some help. But I'm also going to put some stuffing in his head too, because he does have a hollow head as well. So we'll get the stuffing in his body first to see if this will help resolve his back issue, because I've always been curious about this. We're going to have to put quite a bit of stuffing inside of him because it's pretty flat. So I'm just keeping on stuffing. Hopefully it doesn't come out of any of the other sides of him. But we'll just keep on stuffing and stuffing and stuffing. And you can actually see it's starting to pop up now. His back is actually starting to look normal. So that is definitely a plus. We have to use quite a bit of polyfill in there. Okay, so we just got done putting his limbs back on. We just popped them right back on. And it actually did help his back quite a bit. And he actually has a nice belly now. So yes, it did fix his back. His back is no longer flat. We got him stuffed with polyfill. I'm going to refill his head too. Just so that his head won't be hollow. And I noticed, I felt something wiggling in his head, and it was actually the magnet. It popped out, but that's okay. He doesn't need a magnet. But we'll go ahead, we'll put some polyfill in his head. That way his head will not be hollow. And then we'll go ahead and we'll pop his head right back on. Okay, so we are back with our baby. We got him put all back together. His back is now fixed. He's got a belly and he's got a normal back once again. I stuffed his head with the polyfill, but his head, putting it back on was so hard, I accidentally ripped off his eyelash, but that's okay. I could probably re-glue that right back on. But we want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this helped for those people that have the babies with the flat backs. We can fix them with polyfill. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!